Hello, friends. Today I am going to tell you a story. This story is not about a superhero from movies. This story is about a real man. A man who gave light to the world. A man who changed darkness into brightness. A man who showed the power of never giving up. Yes, I am talking about Thomas Alva Edison. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully. Because this story is not only about success, it is also about failures. And how failures can turn into big success if you do not stop trying. Chapter 1: The Small Boy with Big Dreams. Thomas Edison was born on February 11th, 1847, in Ohio, USA. He was the youngest child of his parents. Little Thomas was curious. He always wanted to know why and how things worked. If he saw a bird flying, he asked, "Why can birds fly, but not people?" If he saw the sun, he asked, "Why is it so hot and bright?" He was always full of questions. So many questions that even his teachers got tired.
One day at school, his teacher said, "Thomas, you are not a good student. You ask too many silly questions. You cannot learn properly." Can you imagine? The teacher called Thomas Edison stupid. His mother, Nancy Edison, was very angry. She took Thomas out of school and said, "My son is not stupid. He is special. I will teach him myself." So, from that day, Thomas studied at home. His mother gave him books. She gave him love. And she gave him the most powerful gift, belief.
She always told him, "Thomas, you can do anything if you work hard and never give up." Chapter 2: A Boy Scientist. When Thomas was just 10 years old, he built his own small laboratory in the basement of his house. He collected bottles, wires, chemicals, and even old machines. He used to do experiments every day. Sometimes the experiments worked. Sometimes they failed. Sometimes the whole house filled with smoke. But Thomas was never afraid of failure. He always said, "Every failure teaches me something new." Chapter 3: Life was not easy. Thomas Edison's family was not rich. So, he had to earn money. At the age of 12, he started selling newspapers and candies on a train. But even on the train, his curious mind did not stop. He made another small laboratory inside the train to do experiments. One day, one of his experiments caused a fire on the train. The conductor was so angry that he threw Edison off the train. Did Edison stop experimenting? No, never, he said. "Failure will not stop me. Failure will teach me." Chapter 4: Edison becomes inventor. As Edison grew up, his experiments became bigger. He invented new things one by one. He improved the telegraph machine. He created the phonograph, a machine that could record and play sound. And most importantly, he worked day and night to invent the electric light bulb. But listen carefully. The light bulb was not an easy invention. Chapter 5: 1,000 failures before Edison made the perfect light bulb. He failed not once, not twice, but more than 1,000 times. Yes, 1,000 times. People laughed at him. Some said, "Edison, stop wasting your time. It is impossible." But Edison smiled and said, "I have not failed. I have only found 1,000 ways that do not work. I need to find only one way that works." This is the most powerful lesson from Edison's life. Failure is not the end. Failure is a step toward success. Finally, after many months of hard work, one day the bulb shined bright. The room filled with light. Darkness was gone. The world changed forever. Chapter 6: Light for the World. Edison did not stop after inventing the bulb. He built the first electric power station so that people could use electricity in their homes. He started companies. He invented over 1,000 things in his life. Can you imagine? A boy whom the teacher once called stupid became the man who gave light to the whole world. Chapter 7. Lessons from Edison. Now, my friends, let us see what we can learn from Thomas Edison. 1. Believe in yourself. Even if others laugh at you, do not stop believing in yourself. 2. Failures are lessons. Each failure is not the end, it is a teacher. 3. Hard work wins. Edison worked day and night. Success needs hard work. 4. Never give up. Imagine if Edison gave up after 100 failures. The world might still be dark. Chapter 8. Motivation for you. Now I want to ask you something. Do you have dreams? Do you want to do something big? Maybe you want to become a doctor. Maybe you want to become an engineer. Maybe you want to become a singer, a player, or even an inventor like Edison. Remember this, you will fail sometimes. You will fall sometimes. People may laugh at you. But do not stop. Stand up again, try again, and keep trying until you shine like a bulb in the dark. Because success is not about never falling. Success is about falling many times and still standing up again. Chapter 9. Famous words of Edison. Let me tell you some famous words from Edison. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. It means success is 1% idea and 99% hard work. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. These words show us that success is possible only if we keep trying. Chapter 10. The ending of a bright life. Edison lived a long life full of inventions. He became one of the greatest inventors in history. When he died in 1931, people all over the world switched off their lights for a few minutes in his honor. Can you imagine? The whole world went dark to say thank you to the man who brought light.